About to go run some errands. We gotta hit the gun store, pick up some things. Let's go. Let's say $3,000 or $3,500. Have you found a way to win with that $3,500 that they're going to deposit into your bank account? That's what we all need to be looking for, is an opportunity to win. Now for me, being a business owner, my opportunities are a little bit different. I'm grateful, I'm thankful to be in a position that I'm in, where me and my family, me and my wife, we're not worried about tissue or food or things of that nature. Like, I'm literally going to buy lead right now. Gold is good, silver is great, but lead is better. When you're from the South, you tend to feel that way. But nonetheless, I'm humbled to be in the position that I'm in, because I've been on the converse side. I have actually been fired from a job right after they gave us the yearly meeting. Oh, everything's great, profits are great. And it was at that time that I got laid off. That was the last crash. That was the last time that, I was hit with something I wasn't aware of. I was caught not paying attention, basically. And a lot of us didn't expect this to happen. But it is what it is, it's here now. How can we adjust? How can we come out of this thing on top? How can we make it beneficial for us? I mean, look, as you guys can see, Las Vegas Boulevard is pretty dead. I mean, how long do you think an economy of proportions like Las Vegas can stay closed? Not a long time. Viva Las Vegas, baby! It is kind of strange, though, to see the streets not filled with people. That is a little different, but I'll take it, because when the summertime comes, man, they're going to be here, and it's going to be a lot harder to move around. A lot more Ubers and Lyfts on the road, so I'll take it. And they had essentially been told to just go ahead and go to the unemployment office. The unemployment office is closed, or inundated with so many phone calls that they can't help them, or they're not working because of the COVID-19 and they're home. So there's that, And it's like, damn, where's the security in that? There is no security in that. So for you guys that haven't been laid off yet, or think you're going to be laid off, or perhaps, you really are tired of that job and you want to do something else, now's the time to do something else. Now's the time to decide what that something else is that you want to do, and be about it, because you got the opportunity. Nothing but space and opportunity to do it. So I implore you guys to decide to do something. Take somebody's course, take somebody's advice, and change your life. Because it's worth it, and you guys can do it. Alright? All jokes aside, guys, at least they're getting this damn work done while the city's closed down. There's nothing like seeing the city still work in the betterment of their community and their citizens. They can't employ everybody, but, if the city's closed, they're taking advantage of it and getting some work done, and, how can you be mad at that? How can you be mad at that? You can't. I almost say you can't be mad at it, Alright, guys. Happy owner of that two-tone Smith & Wesson. 9mm and